Today we are going to create the upper and lower triangular matrix program. For this, as always, we are going to write the header files and the program main body. Let's write it first. Then we are going to set this. We are going to define some integer variables data ij and an integer array that has 100 rows and 100 columns. Okay. And now we are going to print the elements of the matrix. And then again a for loop to get the input of the matrix elements. I is less than 2 and I plus plus, and then a scanf statement. Yes, I also write another for loop. Okay, now scanf statement, %d and percent of backslash n and percent of aij. The program will run till the value of I and j. Okay, close all the loops, and we are going to copy it all and paste here to get the output. Let's change it to printf, and we are going to remove the n% and n with t, and we are writing here a printf backslash n back sequence. Let's check it and return 0. We are going to check the program whether it's running or not. Let's check it. Yes, before that we have to replace the I in second loop with j, so that the program will run for both the values of I and j. The elements of the matrix 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, here the matrix. Let's beautify this program and write here a printf statement telling us that this is the matrix. And now we are going to, after this we are going to write the program for upper triangular matrix, and after that we are going to write the program for lower triangular matrix. So here we are going to write the upper triangular matrix. Yes, upper triangle matrix, and we are going to copy it from here and then paste here. Let's check the values. We are going to write a if statement, because in upper triangular matrix all the elements below the diagonal is 0. So for that we are going to write a condition called I is less than equals to j. Then we are going to get the elements, and if not else we are going to get the 0 on the place of the elements. Let's write it here, and we are going to change that here, and we are going to write a else statement that will print 0 if the condition is not satisfied. Let's check it. After doing this, let's check it. And yes, for lower triangular matrix we are going to copy this whole program and changing the and change the condition for if statement. First we change upper with lower, and the condition for our lower triangular matrix is that the elements above the diagonal line are zero. So we are going to changing this with I is greater than equals to j, else we are going to get the value 0. So let's check it. 1 2 3 4. Yes, upper triangular matrix, the element below diagonal line is 0, and as for lower triangular matrix, the element above diagonal line is 0. Okay, so this concludes our program.